18th chapter, and the spotlight's on you. With elegance and poise, you step into adulthood, a vision of beauty and strength. Here's to the adventures ahead, the dreams you'll chase, and the memories you'll create.
Happiest Legality Day to you, Athena. I wish you all the best and that all the goals, dreams you have in your life is matupad. Yan lang. Happy birthday to you.
I've been waiting for this moment. This time I'll do it on my own. This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know.
As you step into adulthood, may you hold onto that childlike joy and softness while growing into the strong, beautiful person you are meant to be. Again, happy birthday, Athena.
Countless trials that I
Hello, Dina. Happy 10th birthday sa'yo. Alam mo na yun kung anong mga wish ko sa'yo para magpapansin. Dalagaan mo ngayon. Gawin mo pa para makuha mo yung pangarap mo sa buhay.
Happy birthday, ate. I love you. Happy birthday, ate. Kahit tayo maaaway, I love you, ate. We love you.
She charmed us for 17 years. Let us be charmed once again as she celebrates her beautiful 18th birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our ever gorgeous, talented, smart, the lady of the night, Miss Athena Yagoni.
Hindi ka rin mawala ng thoughts, ng happy memories, good wins na malalagay mo din sa notebook na to. All of these are things that reminds me of you and that represents who you are. So happy birthday, our arty spice, Athena.
As you step into this mysterious garden called college, may these lucky charms serve as your guiding light through every high and low. A reminder that you never are alone, that in moments of doubt, fear, or uncertainty, you can hold on to your faith and find strength in prayer, family, and friends. Let it remind you to stay grounded, to trust the journey, and to believe that everything is unfolding the way it is meant to be. Carry it with you, not just for love, but as a symbol of protection, courage, and unwavering faith as you enter the next chapter of your life. Happy birthday.
Hello, Athena. Happy 18th birthday. May all your wishes come true. I love you. Happy 18th, Athena.
Happy 18th birthday, Athena. Wish ko sa'yo, sana ma-accomplish mo lahat ng dreams mo. We're here to support you lang. Love you.
So I chose to give you this small plushie and keychain because I always remember you whenever I see citrus peel because of our research. And I always remember how good leader you are.
Happy 18th birthday, Athena!
qualities that have always made me proud of you. As you enter adulthood, may this remind you of your strength and the beautiful person you are becoming. Happy birthday, and I'm so happy to celebrate this milestone with you. Happy birthday!
I hope that as you step into adulthood, life continues to be kind to you. Your heart stays hopeful and puno ng happiness, love, and beautiful opportunities. Katulad mo, yung mabibigay sa inyo ng buhay. Again, happy 18th birthday, ate. Wishing you all the happiness, love, and success that you deserve. We love you so much.